Kalapaki Beach. At about maybe dusk. So second day of the master classes, and really my first full day of classes, and it's all produced a lot of great writing. Oh, there's a paddling crew out there. Look at that. I love paddling. I love paddling. That's probably the Duke's Waikiki Canoe Club. And looks like they might be housed here because Duke's Waikiki, the restaurant, its Lihue location is here, and that's where I'm gonna be having dinner tonight. Because Duke's Waikiki, the original location, where Duke Kahanamoku himself used to go in his later years and hang out and perform and entertain. He was such a great entertainer also, you know, since he was so well versed in his culture, the hula and music. This HD camera on this iPhone is so freaking awesome. It brings a lot of textural, lush reality to what I'm filming. So it does actually kind of look like this right now. So for you charity miles, champions, keeps, so because every day of this week I have to walk this beach front to and from where I'm staying to the conference and master classes. My charity of choice is some type of water related charity, of which there are 3, and also Nature Conservancy, because our oceans are part of nature and very water related. And you know, I'm a little obsessed with water and really the ocean. Sorry, this is so wobbly, but I'm so right-hand dominant, so whoa. Yeah, are they gonna bring in this canoe or what? Oh no, they're gonna bring in that one. Okay, let's let them show you how it's done. Although that is not the way my canoe club teaches us to do it. But Anyway, it takes many, many, many hands. These boats are like 400 pounds, you know. But they make it look like light, easy, fast work. My God, they're moving fast. Are you serious? Wow. Awesome. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try switch hands. I'm gonna switch hands so I don't make y'all nauseous. Let's see what happens. One last canoe to bring up. There they go. Okay. Nighty night, doll. Aloha oi. See you tomorrow morning.